Hi, and welcome to the Tech 2.0 conference here in Las Vegas. My name is Danny, your host here at the lovely Bellagio Hotel. We have our next guest, Ruben, from, how to say it?
ZCALO.
ZCALO, but with a Z.
Right.
Very cool, very cool. And if you can please introduce yourself and your organization.
Okay. My name is Ruben Sandoval. I am with ZCALO Inc. We are pioneering the next evolution of business intelligence through advanced AI consciousness and neural automation systems.
Oh, whoa. So it's like tech and also healthcare.
No, not healthcare.
No,
It's all tech.
it's all tech.
Well, we can work with healthcare companies. Anybody that has any need for any kind of customized software, we can help.
Oh, okay.
And we do that through the use of AI.
Okay, because it said neural, so I was like, oh, neurological. That's what I was thinking.
I got you.
And so you focus mainly on AI software and development.
Well,
Correct?
we've been a software company for over 12 years. It's
Okay.
just that now, lately, we are leveraging the transformative power of AI to accelerate this development. I mean, what used to take months now takes weeks.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
That's a big difference. Whoa. So then, so would you consider yourself an AI startup then, since you've been
Yeah.
Still, even with
You
being
could say
12
that.
years?
Right, you could say that.
Interesting.
But the company has been around, like I said, for 12 years. They are far from being a startup. They've been doing software for major companies, mostly in India, and I am the U.S. rep. So we're now starting to look for engagements here in the United States.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So you have branches, domestic and international.
Right, and that's how we can be reached that way. Basically, 24 hours. We've got coverage. Throughout,
Wow.
through 2 time zones that basically cover the 24-hour spectrum.
So what's the problem that you're trying to resolve as this company?
Well, the problem is any small business that maybe was thinking they wanted to start an AI and didn't know how.
Okay.
We can help them get started, and also
Okay.
for those companies that have
Like
already,
tools.
we can.
AI
Well,
tools.
with the acceleration of the speed at which development can happen now, makes it a lot cheaper to try different things. And also those companies that maybe have started with AI, but they have a code base that doesn't really, they don't know how it works, and maybe they have some problems with it. They don't know how to solve. We can help with that too. That's like rescue. We call that rescue engineering. So.
Oh, there's a term for it.
Well, we call it that.
Oh, okay. So we call it that one. So then, how would you differentiate yourself from other AI startups?
Well, like I said, we oh geez, sorry. We started with a small conviction that even small businesses they deserve to benefit from the transformative power of AI that the large enterprises have been using for years. So anybody has access
more like
to it now.
bootstrapping.
Yeah,
I'd say it's more hands-on. Would you say with your team?
Yes, definitely, and extremely customizable. Whereas if you're working with enterprise software, you're probably having to maybe change some of the way you do things because the software is not designed for your specific use case.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's not how we will make everything that you need done. We can customize.
So you
very
more
specifically.
value orchestration and customization
Yes.
as an AI startup.
Sure. Yes.
Yes.
That's a good way to put it. Couldn't have said it better myself.
And so as far as what's it called? What is the feedback you receive from your customers the most with that orchestration that you facilitate with your company?
Well, it's still early in this journey, but that's what's so exciting about this is that already with the companies we've worked with, the small businesses, we're already seeing real results. So we're seeing these companies are seeing time saved. They're seeing these new channels of revenue unlocked, and
Oh, wow.
and their operations are just running better. So
Smoother processes.
Yeah, smoother. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And so like that, what's a good example of an AI software tool that you use for one of your customers that's really helped with their implementation?
Putting me on the spot there. Well, we can do anything from chatbots that that can help with
Chatbots.
customer
Okay.
service
Okay.
to actual analytical computation where you need an AI to kind of look at something and give you some sort of analysis over it that could take weeks for a normal person to do. They can be done in minutes.
So it kind of pulls the data a lot
Yes,
faster.
it can. Yes,
And
it can crunch
organizes it.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, way easier. Okay,
Mhm.
so that would be like the best feedback would be like
Mhm.
they can organize and orchestrate a little bit easier for
Sure.
them for your customers.
Mhm.
Okay, and then you are a Tech 2.0 conference honoree.
Yes.
How did you feel about receiving that recognition in the tech industry? Because I know the tech industry is very competitive,
It is.
so it's nice to receive recognition.
Yes, it is, and we're very grateful for it. So to be honored with the iconic, what is it called? The Iconic Organization Award. It's deeply meaningful to us because it's not just for our team, but for all the companies that believed that AI could work for them and not just around them. They could actually use it within their software and not just you know on top of it.
Very nice, very nice. Love it. And what's it called? What is the vision you would say, closing thought for the company? Because you said that AI has advancing so rapidly for your organization. What's like the next vision and next steps for you?
Well, it's really on a case by case basis. We're here to help other companies, smaller companies that maybe were intimidated or didn't know where to start. We can help them. We're looking forward to meeting as many people and as many attendees as we can here at the 2.0 conference. And we're just looking forward to building great things together.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And how can people reach you, the organization, to connect?
Well, they can either go to our website, which is scalo.ai.
And that's with a Z.
Spelled ZCALO.ai. And like I said, I'm here in the U.S. I can take calls in the Central Time Zone, and we've got most of the company in Bangalore, India, so we cover the globe.
Oh, wonderful,
Yeah.
wonderful. And let me say, really exciting. Can they also find you on LinkedIn? Is that also another place to?
Yes, we're on LinkedIn.
Okay.
I guess I could just do a search and look for Scalo AI.
Okay,
and they'll find
that would
us.
be a good way to reach you. And then the website too.
Mhm.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Ruben.
Thank you.
Yes, have a wonderful rest of your conference.
Thank you.
And enjoy.